Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Offroad Stubby Front Bumper for Toyota's 2012 to 15 Tacoma. Step 1. Open your vehicle's hood and with a 10mm socket, remove the top 2 bolts from the center of your grille. Followed by using a screwdriver to remove the grille's top 2 push clips. Gently and evenly pull the grille out and away. Step 2. Gently and evenly pull the lower bumper valance out and away. The outer crease marks your cut line and will need to be removed to continue. With an air saw or similar, follow and cut the line. Next, with a 10mm socket, remove the 2 bolts securing the bottom and remove the section. Step 3. With a 10mm socket, remove the bolt from the trim underneath each headlight. And with a 14mm socket, remove the 3 nuts from each side of the front crossmember and pull it away. Step 4. Draw a cut line around the corner of the valance so that it provides a flat surface for the rubber gasket to install on. Begin carefully removing the trim and begin installing the U-channel gasket along the cut line. Step 5. If you intend on using a light bar and winch, you will need to install them onto the bumper before continuing. By following their manufacturer's instructions. Step 6. With the help of a friend, push the bumper onto the studs and frame rails and loosely secure it with the factory nuts removed in Step 3. Shift and center the bumper as desired. Once in place, tighten the nuts down with a 14mm socket. Finally, install your D-rings and reassemble your vehicle. And you're done.